Hello and welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to be talking about the effective promotion of our affiliate link, and we're going to be calling this pre-selling. Now in some cases, you might not necessarily know how to present your offer, whether it's on social media, whether it's on video, whether it's in an article, and we want to make sure that you understand the basic foundation of selling before you actually show people your link. Now, since you already know what problems people are trying to solve, that means you already know their frequently asked questions, you already know what's happening inside of the niche, you probably have a good idea as to how that product is going to help them to solve that problem. And now what you're going to do is you're going to not send them directly to that sales page. What you're going to do is you're going to give them a little message first. You want to make sure that you recognize how something is going to meet their needs. You understand the gist of their problem. You want to go through this process of pre-selling before you send them or before you show them that actual link. In some cases, it's only going to be a paragraph. In some cases, it's going to be a video. In some cases, it's going to be just a brief blurb. But you must do everything you can to go through this brief process of pre-selling. And this is the basic formula of pre-selling. You want to understand and you want to present to them and identify people from the problem they're having. Whether or not if you are going to let them know that you are talking to people that have a particular problem with their dog. You are having a particular problem inside of your ability to train your dog. So it's not just people who want to train their dog. You want to identify specific problems that you have identified in your frequently asked questions. So as you start to think about how to find the right thing to say, well, you want to start saying the things that people have already identified as problems that they want to solve. That really is the magic of selling without selling. In fact, we call it pre-selling. But now there's another step to not just identifying the problem, but in order to sell, you need to agitate that problem. So in other words, the next thing that you say should be something about what will happen if nothing changes. What will happen if things get worse? That's called agitation. And that is the next step of pre-selling. And again, sometimes this can be one sentence, sometimes it can be an entire paragraph, but you must agitate the problem. You must spell out to the person who is reading, listening, or watching what happens if that problem gets worse. And then you solve their problem by presenting to them the solution that you have through the affiliate link that you have. So in other words, you have something that will solve that problem. You have something that will help them so that that problem will never get any worse. Or if nothing changes, you are going to then present to them your affiliate product. That really is the effective way to pre-sell. Now we're going to be going through a number of ways for you to present your link, and this is what you must remember throughout that presentation, throughout all the periods and the places where you're going to be presenting your link. You must go through the process of pre-selling so that the person will know that the product is really going to help them in an area that they are going to be seeking a solution for. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.